Are you tired of using the same old boring profile picture on your social media? Want to make a statement and stand out from the crowd? Look no further. I'm here to show you the ultimate profile picture maker, PFP Maker. In today's fast-paced digital world, your profile picture is often the first thing people see when they visit your social media page. That's why it's important to have a profile picture that accurately represents you and your personality. And that's exactly what PFP Maker helps you achieve. PFP Maker is a powerful and user-friendly website that allows you to create stunning profile pictures with ease. Choose from a variety of templates, add your own text, and select your favorite background to create a unique and attention-grabbing profile picture. With PFP Maker, you can unleash your creativity and create the perfect profile picture that truly represents you. Whether you prefer a minimalist design or a more elaborate image, PFP Maker has got you covered. And the best part? PFP Maker is completely free to use. So what are you waiting for? Give PFP Maker a try now and start creating the perfect profile picture for your social media. And once you've created your perfect profile picture, you can easily download it and use it across all your social media platforms. So whether you're on Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn, your profile picture will always look amazing. So if you're ready to step up your social media game and make a great first impression, visit PFP Maker today and start creating the perfect profile picture. Trust me, you won't regret it. Don't forget to share your new profile picture with us in the comments below. And make sure to tell your friends and family about PFP Maker, the ultimate profile picture maker. See you in the next video.